All right, welcome back to the Essentials series. I am at the ProShop ERP booth. Paul Van Meter, good friend of mine. And Paul, this series has been a lot about new technology that I haven't seen before. We just did an episode that everybody can watch on the Manufacturing Connector. So I want to focus on something different with you today.
Sure.
I want to focus on the fact that at this IMTS, I am seeing more tech than I ever have. And not the tech that we're used to seeing.
Sure.
I'm talking more tech like Silicon Valley tech. Cloud-based computing, cybersecurity. We've got Microsoft, we've got Google Cloud, we've got AWS here. These are massive names, and it seems to me that it's drawn that tech community and really started to highlight more of the need of industrial tech.
You bet.
You guys are an amazing software company yourselves.
Thank you.
Let's talk about how this emergence of tech in this industry can really help level the playing field for the companies that you work with on such a regular basis.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's cool to see those big companies. I mean, they'll do things like, we use the AWS GovCloud for our customers.
Oh, do you really?
So for those that need it, you don't have to be, but if they serve the defense space or aerospace, commercial space, if they need that sort of GovCloud sort of level security, that's, we're all about it. So that's a real value add, that's just, they plug and play right into ProShop. And then we're doing things that that I think allow our customers to act and behave like a much bigger, more mature company, right? It's very accessible, easy. I was just talking to a customer here at our booth a few minutes ago, and they said they brought in a big defense prime, that was courting them. One of the first things they did when they sat down in the conference room was they pulled up material certs, the CFC, and the company was just blown away. They're like, wow, like this allows you to sort of punch way above your grades. That this, relatively small business is gonna deliver for them. As if they have a massive team of project managers and all sorts of folks, but they don't. And that's just really, it's changing the game for small businesses that need tools, need tech to deliver, at the level that these companies require. Right. And speaking of the cybersecurity side, same thing, they want these customers or these shops to be CMMC compliant and ultimately CMMC certified. And they're using all the new features we've built, GovCloud, to make sure that they can meet those requirements of CMMC.
That's so cool, man. And I was fortunate enough yesterday to interview somebody from Google Cloud.
Oh, nice.
And her name's Mika Devonshire. She is picture a CIA agent combined with an FBI agent that focuses on cyber terrorism.
All right.
One of the smartest human beings I have ever spoken with.
Very
She used terms that it blew my mind. And we talked about how manufacturers, it's really their job to provide that safety, that cyber safety for their employees, right? And you and I have talked before about physical safety. We've talked about psychological safety in the workforce. And now we're putting this third leg of the stool, the safety stool out there. And I really think that cybersecurity. What are you guys doing to help those manufacturers on that cybersecurity side?
Yeah, so the NIST standard is designed on top of the CMMC standard is built on top of the NIST 800-171 standard.
Okay.
And there are 110 controls that specifically tell you what you need to do with CUI and physical access and auditing and access control and all those things. And ProShop checks off the box either completely or partially on more than 80 of those 110 controls.
Wow.
So we are just bringing a lot of functionality and just the workflows of like how we store files. We have a new classifications module for classifying things like CUI, controlled unclassified information. Having full access of who can see what, where. ProShop Safe is a new feature we have as well that completely controls the access level and the logging of who accessed what CUI, where it is. So just a lot of tools that if they're not integrated into the workflow in an ERP, just it's very cumbersome otherwise, very expensive, a lot more labor you got to throw at it just to maintain it. Real similar to the way we've done quality management for years, right? Having the whole AS9100 QMS fully integrated into the ERP just makes it way less effort on the manual side to keep your records clean, be audit ready at any time. So just things like that is how we're trying to help our shops, be ready and be compliant.
If I wasn't already a massive fan of ProShop, I am now, man. Last question for you, Paul. What have you seen at this year's IMTS that has just been a mind-blowing revelation or moment for you?
I wish I had a better answer. I've been stuck in my booth so much; it's been absolutely slammed. But this booth right across the way from us, Machine Research, is I love these guys. They're actually a software built just like ProShop was. They have a 120-person machine shop that they own and run, and they built some automated quoting tools to help themselves. Then they decided to start selling it as well. So that's really cool. Some of the new features that Datanomics is sharing, just really, really, really neat. Those guys are always pushing the boundaries. IQA has some pretty cool new stuff. They're great partner guys as well. So hopefully when the show slows down a little bit on Friday and Saturday, maybe I can escape for a few minutes and go see some more mind-blowing tech.
Well, but I think that's a testament to this year's IMTS, right? Is the sheer amount of people that we've seen come through these halls.
It's been massive.
Yeah.
Our demo stations have been pretty much packed all day, every day. It's a blast.
I mean, it's just after 10 o'clock, and I walked up this morning, and every single demo station was in use. It's
been that way all day, every day.
That's awesome.
4 days.
Congratulations. Thanks, Paul. I appreciate it.
Thank you, John. Good seeing you.